My name is Ameer Ali. I'm a Senior Director of Manufacturer Operations and Data Services at Cencora. Cencora is a wholesale distributor of pharmaceutical products and healthcare supply chain. So with the implementation of the Drug Supply Chain Security Act, many exceptions and complications were surfacing in the supply chain. One of the problems was, as we implement different pieces of it, how do we identify the problem and how do we notify our trading partner of the issue, and then how do we quickly get a response back to resolve the issue? We needed to think of how to handle exceptions. LSPedia was one of the first solution providers to offer a solution that is directly addressing some of those challenges. And the other good thing about it was the ability to customize the solution. So depending on the need, everybody has different systems, different procedures, and ability to customize and tweak the solutions to our particular needs was very important to us. And we found that to be available with LSPedia's solution.